welcome back to the urshop.vip platform. And in this video, I will explain exactly how you can deposit from your Trust wallet to your VIP shop, the US VIP shop, guys. So let's go to my Trust wallet. I will show you how to deposit the Trust wallet. Now, I would have taken you through the Binance process, but the Binance do not accept a deposit less than 10 USDT, at which will lead us to Trust wallet. Now, the same process, you want to deposit up to 30 or 10 USDT in your Binance, this same process is applied in your Binance. So let's go straight to my Trust wallet. I will show you how you can do this. Now, this method applies to Tronlink, to Binance, to EQX, and any other cryptocurrency depositing platform or wallet. So let's go straight to my Trust wallet and let's do some process stuff. All right, guys, now welcome back to my Trust wallet. Now, first of all, I will show you how you can get your own Trust wallet, now your own wallet, guys. So click on the setting right here. Now you can see where you see wallet. I already have a wallet, so I will just show you how you can make your own wallet, create your own wallet. So click on wallet right here, guys. I have 3 wallets. So how do you get your own wallet if you are a beginner? So you need to just, you can see there's a plus sign right here. You can see this green stuff, right? There's a plus sign right here. Now that's my security password requirement. So I'll click on the plus sign now. This is the phase where you are a new user, you come for the first time. This is what you see. Private and secure, private key, never leave your device. Create new wallet. So you need to create new wallets, agree to these terms, continue, guys. Now you can see, let me shift this big man right here. You can see the secret phase. Now, this secret phase is the access to your Trust wallet. If you lose the secret phase, then you lose access to your Trust wallet. So you copy this now and also write it somewhere. Probably you do not have to share the secret phase, guys. If anyone has access to the secret phase, then the person can have access to your Trust wallet, at which it will be standing a chance of being robbed or your wallet being stolen. So you click on continue. So when you click on continue right here, you can see the word that the secret phase has been scattered. Tap the word to put them in each order, in the correct order, guys. So each order in the correct order. So let us do this together. So we have to arrange this phrase. Now the first one, let me take this big man down. First one is east. We have the share. You can write it down. I wrote it down somewhere. You have the online, you have the industry, you have the input, we have the rate. All right. Okay, so the rate right here, have the flea, we have the blood, we have the inch, we have the next, we have the hollow, and we have the recycle. Then we click on creating wallet. Now the wallet is being created right. You can see I have created my wallet successfully. So how to add USDT TRC20 or ERC20 to your wallet? Just click above right here, on the top right corner right here, click on it. So you can see search cryptocurrency. So let me shift this big man. So search Tether USDT. Okay, you can see the ERC20 and the TRC20. So click on the ERC20 and the TRC20. I've added them. I click on done now. Come back right here. So you can see I have the Tether USDT. Now you can see. Okay, let me click on show. This is a new wallet. Notice inside, right? So you can see this is the TRC20. You can see the TRC20. Now coming back, you can also see the ERC20. Now remember, the platform supports the ERC20 and the TRC20 network, guys. So guys, after this, we have completed the account creation phase of the Trust wallet. Now I'll show you exactly how you can deposit from this wallet to your US platform, your USA.VIP platform. So let's go back to the platform briefly. So back to your platform right here, click on the top up, or just then click on the human icon, click on okay, let's recharge. The recharge record is being right. Let's click on the human icon, the home icon, click on top up instead to make it easier. So as I said earlier, we have the USDT TRC20 and the USDT ERC20. So let's click on the USDT TRC20, guys. So you can see we have the QR code you can scan, guys. Now let's copy the USDT address. Now I copy it and take it back to your Trust wallet, guys. So back to your Trust wallet over here. Now this same method is applied to almost every wallet that houses crypto. So you come right here to your TRC20, guys. Now you click on send. We have nothing. I'm just explaining how they do this to you and how you can understand it. Now, I'm not a deposit for real. I already activated my account in the first, no, in the second video that I made. I already activated my account. So click on send. And the same address you copy from the site, you paste it right here. You paste the address right, you click on paste, and you input the amount. Now the activation fee is as low as 1 USDT. So go to click on 1, then you click on continue, guys. I don't really have enough USDT. I just want to show you the demonstration of how this is done, guys. So 1 USDT, click on. I don't have enough Tron, talking about the USDT, guys. So once you are done, you click on confirm, and you'll be ask to input your wallet password, and after that, immediately your top up will be sent to your platform. Now go back to your platform. All right, guys, so let's click on the human icon now. After that, you just need to refresh this to see, and your deposit will be confirmed. So I will show you that I really deposited. So I'll click on the recharge record. Right, you can see I deposited $1 and this was the same method I did. If you check the second video, the deposit video I made, this is the same method I used to deposit right here. So this is how you can deposit your Binance, your Trust Wallet, your OkoX, your Coinbase, any wallet you want to be using at all, guys. I use the ERC20 network or the TRC20 network, guys. So basically, this is how you can understand this platform. So thanks for watching this video. So make sure you subscribe and go in the description of this video below. Check right there. You're going to be seeing the link, create an account, and start making money with me. See you next time.